Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
The Farmer's Gift. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by lush green fields, there lived a kind-hearted farmer named Mr. Brown. He had 4 energetic and adventurous sons, Peter, Jack, Tom, and Tim. Mr. Brown's farm was filled with all kinds of animals and colorful crops. The 4 brothers loved helping their father with the chores. Each son had a special talent. Peter was the best at planting seeds, Jack had a way with animals, Tom was great at fixing things, and Tim had a green thumb for growing vegetables. One sunny day, Mr. Brown gathered his sons and shared exciting news. He had a magical seed that, when planted, would grow into a tree with the most delicious fruits the village had ever seen. The catch was that each son had to plant his seed in a different part of the farm. The brothers eagerly accepted the challenge. Peter planted his seed near the river, Jack chose a spot by the barn, Tom planted his near the farmhouse, and Tim picked a sunny corner of the vegetable patch. As the seasons changed, the magical trees grew tall and strong. The fruits were indeed extraordinary. They sparkled with different colors, and each had a unique flavor. The brothers decided to share the fruits with the entire village, making everyone happy and grateful for the generous farmer and his 4 sons. And so, the Brown family continued to live happily, surrounded by the magic they had planted together on their beloved farm. The end.